video is to show you how to do the quadratic trend model. That's where we're going to use an x and an x squared to forecast our y. In this case, we're going to use the period as our x for our explanatory variable, and we're going to insert another column here. Call that x to the power of 2. That's going to be my period squared. So I'm just going to take each of my periods here and square them. So in the quadratic trend model, we take all of our x's that we're going to use as our explanatory variable, and we're going to square them as well, and we're going to use both the x and the x squared as our explanatory variables to predict our y. So in this case, this data, same as all of the other methods I've just shown you, the data column here contains all of our y's. And we're going to use the data analysis Toolpak yet again under the data tab. If you're not sure how to access this, go to the linear trend model and I show you how to load this up. We're going to do regression again. And when it asks for our y's, again, make sure that your data is selected as your y. And for your x's, we're going to have two variables now for the x's. So the period and the period squared, or the x and the x squared. I'm going to check off labels again. Confidence level is the same. Output range. Let's put it again in E3. That's great. And check off residuals as well. Click OK. And there we go. And now, this gives us our regression coefficients and y-intercept. If we want to generate our forecast, they're actually all generated for us right here. If you needed to do them on your own, let's say for some examples you might have to, let's just do it manually as well. Again, Excel did them for you right here. These predicted are actually my forecasts. And these residuals are actually my errors. They've got a new name when we do regression. But let's try getting them here as well. So how you would get the forecast for this guy, you would take your 15.38